Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna cover top 20 keyboard shortcuts for Windows desktop. This particular Windows shortcuts will boost your productivity. If you are a developer, if you are a daily Windows laptop or a desktop user, all these shortcuts you should know. So without any wasting much time, let's get started. So this will be the past first. So the first shortcut will be Ctrl C. It is used to copy any file, any text from Windows desktop or laptop, and we can paste that particular copied text or file using Ctrl V. So these were like a combo of shortcuts. The next will be Ctrl X. It is used to cut particular files, or you can cut any text, and if you use Ctrl V, you can paste it. Fourth will be Ctrl C. Ctrl C shortcut will be help to undo the previous action. And if you want to redo the action which you have undo in previous step, you can use Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y will redo your action. Next is Ctrl A. If you want to select all the files or select all the text from a particular file, you can press Ctrl A. It will give select all. The next will be Alt Tab. Alt Tab is used to switch apps. You can press Alt Tab, it will show all the active apps, then you can switch between those apps. Next is Alt F4. Alt F4 is used to close the current active window. Next gonna be Windows D. Windows D will take you to the desktop on your desktop screen. Next is Windows L. Windows L is used to lock your PC. So these were the first 10 keyboard shortcuts. Let's see the next 10 shortcuts. The next one will be Windows E. Windows E is used to open your file explorer. Then the 12th one will be Windows I. Windows I will be used to open the settings panel. Next is Windows R. Windows R is used to run dialog box. With that help of the dialog box, you can run any program. Then the next important shortcut will be Ctrl Shift Escape. It will open your task manager. Then next will be Windows tab. It will open the task view. Then you can use Ctrl P for printing any document. Then Ctrl T for opening new browser tab. Ctrl W for closing that particular tab which is inactive. Ctrl Shift N for creating new folder. And F2 for renaming file or folder. So these were the top 20 keyboard shortcuts for Windows laptop or desktop. If you want the same video for MacBook, comment in the comment section. I will make for MacBook as well. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. That's it for this particular video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.